In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two people into one photo using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your images, prompt clearly, refine the result, and save a polished composite. First, open your browser, go to chatgpt.com and log in. If you're new, create an account and sign in so you can access the image tools. Before you start, pick photos that are clear, well lit, and ideally shot at similar angles. That makes blending much more natural. And if the photos include other people, be sure you have permission to use their images. Once you're in a new chat, look for the small plus icon next to the message box. This is where you add images to your conversation. Click the plus icon, then choose Add Photos and Files. Your file picker will open so you can grab the pictures right from your computer or phone. Select the two photos you want to merge. You can drag them in or choose them from your folders. If one image is much darker or lower quality than the other, keep that in mind. You can ask the model to balance lighting and sharpness later. Now it's time to guide the AI with a specific prompt. Tell it exactly how you want the people combined and where they should appear. Mention the setting, the mood, and anything important like outfits, pose, or camera framing. Clear direction helps the model blend faces, lighting, and perspective more convincingly. For example, you might say, merge the woman on the left with the man on the right, putting them together in a sunny beach photo. You can expand with helpful details like waist up framing, both looking at the camera, warm sunlight, soft shadows, and natural skin tones. The more context you give, the more consistent the result. If the first attempt isn't perfect, refine it with follow ups. Ask for adjustments such as make the lighting more natural, soften the shadows on the faces, or change the background to a city street. You can also request fixes like align their eye lines, reduce blur on the edges, match skin tones, or bring both subjects to the same scale. Don't hesitate to ask for a fresh variation if something feels off. When you're happy with the image, click it to open the larger preview and save it to your device. Use the download option or your system's save feature and give it a clear file name so you can find it later. That's it. Upload, describe, refine, and download. With a thoughtful prompt and a couple of tweaks, you can merge two people into one seamless photo using ChatGPT.